everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be baking Nigerian chin-chin, and these are all the ingredients I will be needing for my baking today. Frying oil, plain flour, milk, vanilla essence, eggs, baking powder, nutmeg, butter, sugar and salt. This is my rolling pin and this is the board I'm going to be using for my baking. I have all my dry ingredients, so I'm going to mix them all together. Now they're all mixed. I'm going to mix all the liquid. My dough is set, so I'm going to cover it for 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now, so I just roll them out and cut them ready to fry.